Hello, I wanted to give a sneak peek and a little bit of an editing demo around the Taylor Swift Eras itinerary that I've put together. So I myself am going to the Eras tour in a couple of days, so the countdown is on. Very, very excited, and putting this together really just helped me tie it all together. I am intending on using this as a keepsake. I myself am personally flying and then staying in accommodation to go to the Eras tour. So for me, the traveling itinerary, how it's set up is what I would be using it for. However, you can change it to a concert only, which means that we would get rid of the days and the flight and the accommodation details and purely just have it as a concert only itinerary. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of basic editing and then we can get into how we can actually go about customizing this a little bit into a concert only template. So if you are interested in this template, I will put the link in the description to my Etsy store where you can purchase it down below. So this is made in the free version of Canva, so you do not need to pay to edit or to download this template. As it is, it comes exactly how you see it. So it comes with all of the images, all of the colors and everything like that. So if we were to just have a quick look at the overview, so we've got our cover page, our table of contents, then we've got our flight, accommodation, and then our days 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we jump into the concert. So we've got the concert set list is set over 4 pages. Then we've got concert tips, which is just some good reminders, outfit inspiration, so based on Taylor's Eras, the packing essentials, so the packing list for the actual attending the concert to the venue, and then an end page. So if we wanted to go ahead and change this to a concert only, what we would be looking at doing is deleting out these extra pages. So really from page 4 through to page 12. And the way that we can do that is you can either do it from this zoomed out version, or we can zoom in, close our grid view and actually have a look at each of the pages. So we have the little trash bin up the top here that we can use, and that is one way to get off, or from the zoomed out view, we can click these little 3 dots here and we can actually just hit delete page. So if I was to go ahead and delete these pages, delete, and make this a concert only, and delete. Okay, so when we do that, we essentially make it an 11-page itinerary. And then what we need to do is we just need to amend our table of contents. So to do that, we just go to, we close our grid view, which is located in the screen below, behind where my picture is currently located, and it's 4 little dots. So we can close our grid view. And then what we are looking at doing is we are looking at getting rid of these hotel and the daily schedule, and then just making it concert. So what we can do, an easy way, is we can just change the wording. So we can put concert. This one is concert tips. Outfit inspo, and then going to our packing. Okay, and then we can delete out these 2 that we don't need. And then what we also can do is we can shrink this down. If you want to close the gap, you can do that by just dragging this bar up or down. I'm just going to leave it as it is because I don't think it looks too bad. And then what we need to do is we need to amend the hyperlinks. So the way that we do that, sorry, the hyperlinks are when you click this on your mobile phone. So if you press concert tips on your mobile phone, click the button, it will take you directly to the concert tips page. So the way that we do that is we want to click on here, and then we want to go to this more, and then it has this link. So there is also a shortcut, which is Control K. So if we click this link, and then what we can do is we can, if we scroll down, we want to go to our concert tips page, which is tips page 8, and then click done, and that will put the hyperlink into there. And then same with the outfit inspiration. So again, we can come to this more, we can go to link here or Control K, and then what we can do is we can change from this concert. So we can click the little clear button or the little cross, and then we can scroll down. So we're looking for our outfit, which is page 9. So we click done, and then our packing list. So we can also click this edit link, this little pencil. So if we're going this way, again, we're using the little, so if we click on this, use the little cross to get rid of it. And then we're scrolling down to find our packing list down the bottom here and clicking done. So the other thing too is that when a link does go in, it puts an underline under our words. So we can just click on the text itself and then come up the top to our underline. So this is exactly the same as you would in Microsoft Word and those things, and unclick the underline. This is just more of an aesthetic thing. So that is shortening our itinerary to be our concert only. So if you wanted to send this to somebody who's going to the Eras Tour, or if you are going to the Eras Tour yourself and you want to have the set list, your concert, the reminders, like charge your mobile phone before you go, outfits and packing essentials, that is how you go ahead and do it. So to download this and actually get it onto your mobile phone, there's a couple of ways that you can do it. So to download, we want to make sure that we download this as a PDF, and the reason being is a PDF will allow our hyperlinks to work on our mobile phone. So the way that we do that is we come up to the top right hand side and click share, and we come down to where it says download, and then from here we want to change the file type. So if we click this drop down, and then we want to find PDF standard, we click that, and then we want to make sure that we are downloading all 11 pages, and then we are hitting download. So this will download it directly onto your computer, and then from here, once it is on your computer, then you can simply jump into your email and email it to yourself, and then access your emails on your mobile phone, and then you can actually download from your mobile phone your emails directly onto your mobile. The other way that you can do this is within the Canva app. So the Canva app is very user-friendly and is very similar to the Canva on your computer. So you can jump in, download the Canva app. It is also free. You'll be asked to log in with your details. And then once you're in the Canva app, you can see your itinerary. You can come in, you can go to the share button up the top, download as a PDF, download all 11 pages, and it'll actually put it straight onto your phone. So either way, you don't have to worry about using Wi-Fi or having internet access, because it'll be very similar to accessing a picture or a file on your phone where it is already downloaded. So very, very handy if you're going to the concert and you're concerned about internet usage, or there being so many people trying to access their internet that's really slow and things like that, because it'll already be downloaded. So that is a quick overview of the Taylor Swift Eras Tour itinerary. I hope you absolutely love it, and if you are going to the Eras Tour concert, I hope that it is absolutely amazing for you and you have a wonderful time. So thank you very much for your interest in my template. Thank you. Bye.